Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kotak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of 4th September 2022. Supreme Court Judge Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has been nominated as the Executive Chairman of the National Legal Service Authority. Government to set up country's first ever night sky sanctuary in the Ladakh to boost astro tourism. In a unique and first of its kind initiative, the central government's Department of Science and Technology has undertaken to set up India's first ever night sky sanctuary in the Ladakh, which will be completed within the next 3 months. The proposed Dark Sky Reserve will be located at Handley in Ladakh as a part of the Wildlife Sanctuary of Chanthang. The reserve will boost astrotourism in India and will be one of the world's highest located sites for the optical, infrared, and the gamma ray telescopes. The Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Mansukh Mandavia, virtually inaugurated Swasth Sabal Bharat conclave, which emphasized on Jan Bhagidari to encourage people for organ donation. National Green Tribunal slapped rupees 3,500 crore penalty on the West Bengal government for the huge gap in the waste management. The Green Panel said that the state government does not appear to be prioritizing settling the sewage and the solid waste management facilities through according to the state's budget for 2022-23. Observing the health issues cannot be deferred to a long future, the bench headed. It said being a part of the right to life, which also is a basic human right and absolute liability of the state, lack of funds cannot be pleaded to deny such right. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla unveiled bust of Indian freedom fighter Dr. Pandurang Khankhoje at Champingo University in Mexico. The first question for the day is, as per the latest figures from the IMF, September 2022, which country is the 5th largest economy in the world? The next question for the day is, who is the head of the expert committee constituted by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways on EV battery safety standards? The next question is, which Indian state or union territory has launched the country's first virtual school? The next question is, as per the latest NCRB report, the highest number of sedition cases were registered in which of the following states? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous question are as, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first earthquake memorial in which state? The correct answer is Gujarat. Which Indian company has announced to build India's first and the world's largest carbon fiber plant in Gujarat? The correct answer is Reliance Industries. Indian origin Lakshman Narasimhan has been appointed as the CEO of which of the following American multinational company? The correct answer is Starbucks. The new Naval Ensign features the national emblem inside which shape? The correct answer is blue octagon. Which organization manufactures Tejas Mark II fighter jets? The correct answer is option C, that is HAL. That's it guys. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos and daily current affair quiz. For more such MCQs, you can download the app from the link which is given in the description box below. We also conduct classroom lectures The facilities are provided at Dombivli and Ghatkopar. Also, live class, recorded lectures, books, ebooks, and tests facilities are provided. For more information, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens.